In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a post to gallery on Reddit. If you've come across a post on Reddit that you want to keep for later, the good news is that the process is very quick and simple. Saving a post is useful when you find something interesting, funny, helpful, or important, and you don't want to lose track of it while scrolling. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can save a post from your Reddit home feed with confidence. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after opening Reddit and signing in, where posts from the communities you follow usually appear in your feed. Take a moment to make sure you're on the home page and that you can see the post you want to save. If you haven't found the post yet, you can scroll through your feed until it appears. Once you've found the post you want to keep, look to the top right corner of that post. You should see a 3-dot menu. This menu is where Reddit keeps extra actions and settings related to the post. The 3 dots may seem small, but they're important because they open the options you need. Click on those 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. When you do that, a menu will appear with several actions you can take. Depending on the version of Reddit you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the option you need should still be clearly listed in that menu. From the menu, click on Save. As soon as you select it, Reddit will save that post to your account so you can come back to it later. This is especially helpful if you're not ready to read the full post right away, or if you want to keep it organized for future reference. After saving, it's a good idea to watch for a small confirmation on the screen, if one appears, so you know the action worked. Saved posts are tied to your Reddit account, which means you can usually access them later from your profile or saved items section. That makes it easy to build a collection of content you want to revisit without needing to search for it again. And that's all it takes. Go to your Reddit home dashboard, open the 3-dot menu on the post you want, and click Save. It's a simple feature, but it can make your Reddit experience much more organized and convenient.